Hello, everyone. This is your loving host and best selling author, radio and TV personality, live from this preparation. It's a beautiful hall. They are preparing for tomorrow's keynote, and I just wanted to show you around. So let me sit here and see how everything is. So so see this, it is so nice, sitting here and watching and see this. So this is the live podcast moment, 2025 live from Dallas, Texas. And here, see, folks, it is so nice. They are doing preparation for tomorrow's show. And of course, like how did I start my podcast? There is a whole story there that why I started my podcast. And before I dive into that, let me, sit down and talk a little bit about it. Oh, this is a nice place. Let me show you. So, so let me show you. This is nice. This looks nice. I had a cactus in my room, and someone said you can that is a bad omen that you cannot put cactus in your room. And but I said no. I like it. Hi guys. I have a radio and a TV show. So I was just seeing what you guys are doing preparation. It looks wonderful. Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So so this is the preparation going on, and just let's see that side, that what is going on. Yeah. Okay, so my radio and TV show is syndicated worldwide to 300 million listeners, and I am on a speaker also. So it's nice to see some of the people who syndicate my show. That is speaker is here. Let's see. So if you want to see Dr. Afshan Hashmi's show on speaker, then just go here. These are the Canadian speakers, and let me see what is going on here, how they are doing the preparation. Oh, Patreon is also here. So it's very innovative, to see these kind of things and to really understand that how podcast is done and how much preparation goes into all this and how many people are involved. So this is Osha, this is Podpage, Industry Expert Talks. So hi. So this is industry of OSHA, they'll be bringing some speakers here. I'm making pre-conference thing for my radio and TV show. So this is the So I am on Amazon Music also, as well as on iHeart Podcast. And you have to see Meet and Greet with Dr. Afshan Hashmi every Tuesday at 6 p.m. US Eastern Time. And Amazon Music, Dr. Afshan Hashmi. And I have my two books. The first one is The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And the second one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. So, these two books, were Amazon bestsellers. And, you can Google on Amazon, Barnes and Noble, and wherever books are sold. So that's what it is, and I want to tell you that just see this. And it was quite difficult to find this place because yeah like for me, I'm used to going to very big conferences like raps and chemistry conferences, and I present papers there in scientific conferences. So for me, it's a very very different experience to come for the first time for a podcast movement conference, and it is very good. Late we came late last night, and it was very very like I was very tired. And let me talk little bit about how all this came together. And I think this is the they are putting up the they are putting up so let's see. Spycast. Cool. They are putting some airwave, thing. Guys, I have a radio and a TV show, so I'm showing up the preparation of this. And you guys are very nice. They're doing good work. So let's see here. Backyard Ventures. I have to look. What is that? Pod Oaks, Holy Land. And let me sit there and talk about my podcast. That what is that? And wow, Channel Blue, podcaster stage one. Channel Blue need headquarters, pick up a pair outside PM Central. So they like see this. So now and I am missing Mustafa a lot because Mustafa could have got my camera, or he would have given some his comments on this. And I love his comments. He used to speak very little on this. He would observe everything, and then he would give the comment. Now I am sitting here, and I am giving my comments on that. Now the question is that what is this conference about? It is about podcast movement. Various kind of individuals will come here and speak about how to launch a podcast, how to monetize podcasts, and I will be covering the event. And now, folks, the thing is that how my podcast started. I had a book called The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. When it became a bestseller, And when I would talk to advertising companies, they would charge so much money for that. So I said, why not start a podcast? And believe me, in my first show, I'm quite bold, very good English, everything, but I was very nervous. I used to call my producer, and of course, I buy my time on the podcast, and it is very, very expensive because my podcast, Meet and Greet with Dr. Afshan Hashmi, and also of Dr. Afshan Hashmi's doco series. So there was this one of my producers, who was who was starting up, and he had a channel and he was expanding the channel. So at that time, I went into that, and there was so much, things going on. And when I did my podcast, it was so good that I was I mean, advertising. I don't have that kind of funds to give it. I'm just a small solo entrepreneur, and these days my books are not selling very good, and also my sponsorships. So I've come here to look for some sponsorships if I can get some sponsorships. So just see that I am here, and I so what happened was that I started my podcast, and then my books started selling. But these days, my books are not selling, and this podcast is syndicated worldwide to 300 million listeners. So just think about it. That if you give me sponsorship, then how much it will be, how much it will be, like your product will be promoted in a very, very nice manner. So folks, I would love to interact with some of you guys attendees here, if I get to them. And because this is my first time, I don't know how do they do that. So folks, I will be going and talking to people and all. But sometimes people are so shy also, no, we don't want to come on camera and those kind of things. So I don't know how it will say. I can't promise, but I will talk to people. And then I started doing that, and it started in 2014, and today is 2025, and I am doing this podcast. So I have lot of decades of experience, and next year I will apply for speaking here, because when I saw that, I couldn't get a speaking slot here because it was closed. So I will see, that how it goes, and whether if I get some return here, whether it is worth coming to these kind of conferences, or they are just hoopla, for big companies. We are a very small company. I invested my money to come here. So having said that, folks, cheers and bye bye.